Hi everyone, I just wanted to remind you that this Tuesday we're starting a brand new 6-week heart healing program to reprogram your subconscious and clear out your painful past so that you truly can manifest your soulmate with ease. Make sure you check it out because I am not offering the sale price again. This is a one-time exclusive offer. I've been working with the material for years and I have tons of success stories with people really learning to love themselves, attracting in their soulmate, even getting married, and I just love it so much. It's a very successful program, and I can't wait to offer it to you in this exclusive 6-week program called Manifesting Your Soulmate System. If you would like to clear out your painful past and stop reliving the same old dysfunctional and unhappy relationship patterns, if you're ready for someone that really, really loves you, then let's get your vibration cleaned up. Let's clear out those negative belief systems, false belief systems, and different wounds from your past that are running in your vibration and attracting people to you that are unfit for relationship. If you're ready to love, then contact me. Let's get you registered. I'll put the link below this video for my special offer price. It's only available in this link. If you go to my main site, the regular price will be on there. So please check out the link here if you're interested in joining us on Tuesday for 6 consecutive weeks to reprogram you and get you ready for the love of your life. Thanks so much, everyone. I can't wait to help you fall in love.